All right, it's Friday. You know what time it is. Job review. Job number 1 is with Digital Jane. It's a QA analyst posted 3 days ago. This is a core QA software responsibility. Looks like one of the biggest things, they want you to conduct manual testing on web and mobile applications. 2 years experience, so we know how to position for that. Looks like they want you to use a test management tool and SQL. Let's position and apply. Job number 2 is a software QA analyst. It's up to $64 an hour. Now, it does say that it's a 6-month contract, W-2 contract with the ability to extend to 2 years. I say it's still a really great first role. Let's go ahead and let's get ready to position and apply. What I see is core software testing skills and abilities. They do want some SQL and some Postman, and experience with Azure DevOps is a plus. All right, job number 3 is a quality assurance analyst, 90 to 100K. Looks like if you have any justice system or public safety experience, you are a plus on this. Still, core software testing responsibilities, project management, strong SQL and API experience. Let's position and apply. All right, to all my Salesforce people, if you have Salesforce and now you have the skill of being a software tester, this is a good role for you. Looks like they're paying really well. Now, it does look like qualifications. They want you to have a certification. Actually, it says it's a plus. Minimum 4 years of QA experience, so we're going to position for this. Let's go. All right, last one is an associate quality assurance analyst. I'm not going to read this all. Let's go get the link below and position and apply. Let's go.